So over here, let's just go ahead and edit out a picture. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around onto this picture and make a change. So I'm just going to go around over here onto edit right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go around over here onto my effect and change around the effect, like SDR effect. Let me just change around the brightness, change around the contrast right here, change around the white points as well, the highlights just like this, the shadows, and then you can see that I got a certain look. Let me just go ahead and change around the pop as well, and then maybe add a bit of a vignette, change around the warmth a bit, change around the skin tone as well, and so forth. So you can see that I got a particular look to it. So this is what I have. Let me just go around, change around the saturation as well. And then this is what you have. As you can see, you can also change around the contrast, the brightness, and so forth. So now let's say what I want to do is I want to copy out this effect to apply it exactly in another image. So to do that, you can click on the three dot button and then click on copy edit right here and close this out. Let me just go ahead and then discard this editing out. I've already copied the edits. So now let's say, for example, to paste the exact edit on another photo, I can go around onto, let's say, for example, this photo right here, and then I can go around onto edit right here. So once I go ahead and do that, I can click on the three dot button and paste out the effect right here. So it's still loading out the effect, as you can see right here, and you can see that paste edit is an option because I already copied it. So once you paste it, you can see that the same effect is applied, and now what you can do is you can go ahead and make further adjustments apart from that. So it copies all of the slider data and simply pastes it out into another photo, just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and copy and paste edits inside of Google Photos. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.